My name is Greg Laffen. I am a second-year PharmD student. I have a bachelor's degree in biochemistry, and during that time I spent 2 years in a biotechnology center working on DNA sequencing and genotyping, and I really enjoyed that experience. So it helped me to find pharmacogenomics as an area of interest of mine before I even began pharmacy school. And outside of my background, I think that what attracts me most to pharmacogenomics is that it allows me to use my laboratory and research skills in order to help patients outside of a typical clinical setting, seeing as how the goal of pharmacogenomics and personalized medicine is to improve patient outcomes by matching patients with the correct drug and correct dose in order to maximize the therapeutic effect and minimize toxicities. This past summer, I have been funded by the CTSI Advanced Research Program in order to perform data analysis on a previously conducted large clinical study. Our lab is specifically interested in determining the genetic sources of drug variability, or more simply, why do patients respond to drugs differently? My research has been focused on the drug fenofibrate, which is used clinically to lower lipid levels, but it also has a positive side effect of lowering uric acid. Uric acid is a contributor to the development of gout, which is a very painful form of arthritis. So we're hoping to find the genetic basis for this uric acid lowering effect. And having a greater understanding of the genetic sources of variability in patients' responses to drugs will hopefully help us determine which patients are optimal candidates for receiving fenofibrate and which ones are better candidates for alternative medications. My primary mentor is Dr. Robert Straka. He is a PharmD and professor, member of the PUMA Institute of Personalized Medicine, and he's also the head of the Experimental Clinical Pharmacology Department. Dr. Straka has a graduate student, Dr. Yusuf Roman, who is also a PharmD, and I consider Yusuf to be another one of my mentors. He's helped me extensively with my research throughout the summer. I found it very beneficial to have multiple mentors in order to tackle problems and questions from multiple points of view, and I would encourage students to seek out multiple mentors throughout their career as well.